Hello, this is a quick crash course on how to use eDofE mapping. So I've logged in with my username and password and then clicked on my bronze DofE. We're then looking for expedition, and in the expedition tab there's a mapping function. So one person in the group needs to create a map for each day of the route. So we click mapping. These are two that I have made earlier, and there's a box here that says create a new map. So the how I want you to structure it is with the group number. So let's say group 2, and then if you're bronze or silver, so say bronze, and then which day it is. And that's the same format everyone needs to use. So let's say group 2 bronze day 1, and then we can just copy and paste that into the description. So we want to create a new map, and then it might pop up as a new window, or you might have to go back and then click view and edit. And what it gives us is the Ordnance Survey map up to 1 to 25,000. So if we type in, let's say Petersfield, okay, let's remove that pin, and then if we zoom in, let's say we're making a route from, just for example, quick one, out of school. So we want to click the plot function, and then we'll just follow this green dashed line, which is path up to the med centre. Then we're going to follow Church Road just a little, all the way to this path off on the corner. We're going to follow that round this farm over to this bridge over here. Okay, so I've created these points. What I want to do is turn a couple of them into checkpoints. So we just want to click on them and then edit, and then we can call this checkpoint 1. The idea is we're looking for about 7 checkpoints, and then what we want to do is add a description of the route. So we are heading out of school, then turning east, follow Church Road. Cool. Save that, and then we just need to make another one. So we turn this into, let's say, checkpoint 2, and then what we're doing is we are turning off road onto path, round farm to bridge. Okay, and when you've got more than one checkpoint, what you can then do is go into the routecard function up here, and then there's all these details. You can sort of, obviously not 6 o'clock, let's say 9. Which day of the expedition is it? Probably going about 3.5k, and then you can see there it's starting to build up the routecard automatically for me. So if I click save, that's saved, and then if we exit this, it will go back to the maps. And once you've created the map, you need to share it with me, because the idea then, I'm going to check the route. So you check the checkbox, and then from this drop down, you could maybe select all 3 of your group's routes. The idea is you have to share them with me by finding me on this drop down list of names, and then you click send maps, and that then sends me a message and gives me access to it. Great, thanks.